Hey, what's up, Calvin? My name is Jose. I believe my wife spoke to you a couple of days ago and talked to you about making you a video about a website. So let's not waste any more time and get to it. So I noticed that you didn't have a website, and I usually do this for people that have websites. So I'm going to show you a little bit on your competitors there. I looked at competitors there in Dallas, and I pulled up these two that I looked up house home renovations, and these guys popped up on the top of the page. So I went ahead and threw them onto this tool, which allows me to look at their keywords that they're being found for. And this is why you need a website. Okay, so kitchen example. Let's see, Plano home remodeling. There's 90 searches a month for that word, and they're in the first position, so they're getting a lot of calls from that. Let's see, bathroom remodeling ideas. Remodel master bedroom. we want we want words with that are location based. So as you can see here, Dallas TX home remodeler, 90 searches a month, 20 searches a month, 20, 150. So there's hundreds of searches a month for these guys. And if you're on the front page of Google for each one of these words, then you're getting a lot of calls. Dallas TX home remodeler, 90 searches a month. Dallas, Texas home remodeler, 20 searches a month. See, TX and Texas are different. Every letter changes the keyword. Uh, Remodeler Dallas TX, 70 searches a month. Dallas home remodelers, 150. So it keeps, hundreds. It keeps piling up, piling up. So that's why it's important to get yourself a website and add these keywords. There's uh, 99% of people that build websites do not know this. And so they build a website and the website is never found by anybody. And so the back end looks like these guys right here, even though they're not remodelers, but that's what they look like. So that's why it's pretty essential for you to get a website. And another thing for you, if you don't want to get a website, maybe you can start ranking here on the map pack. Okay, and by that, the way to do that is to get citations. What a citation is anytime you list your business name, phone number, and address on an online directory such as Yelp.com or YellowPages.com, then that's a citation. So you want to find out what your main competitors have, how many they have, and get about 20 or 30 more citations than they have. And that'll help you tremendously on outranking them here on this map pack here. So that's a couple tips I have for you. If you had a website, I would give you a couple more, right? But uh, if you're interested in getting a website, feel free to reach out to us at 806-268-7118. My name is Jose with SEO Monster Design, and I'll be happy to help. Have a good one.